Hello student, today we are going to start Introduction to Python. This is our first chapter. In the last video you learned that what is computer program. In the short we are just revising what is computer program. So computer program is a set of instructions that can be executed by a computer to perform a specific task, and that instruction may be written in any language like C, C++, Java, Python, PHP. Okay, there are different types of languages are available. You can select any language as per your requirement. If you want to perform any task on the system or any device, then you require a program. You have to pass some instructions that can be executed line by line. Without program, you can't use any device. At this time, I am recording a video with the help of program. You will watch this video with the help of program. Each and everything on the laptop or a mobile, everybody is using a program. Without a program, not a single device can work. And program is written by a programmer. So after this course, you will be a programmer, means you can write your own code in Python. If you know the programming, then you can do anything on the system. So now we are going to start the Python. What is Python? It is a computer programming language released on the 1991. It is used in different areas like a website development, gaming development, software, robotics, AI, and yes, scientific computation. Nowadays, the Python is highly demandable in data science. If you will search top 5 computer language on the internet, then on the first position you will see the Python come. Now these are the key features of Python. It is a platform independent language. That means once you write a program in a one platform, that can be executed on any operating system, any type of machine. It is a simple syntax and easy to learn. It is case sensitive language, means if you are writing a capital A or small a, both have a different meaning that we will discuss later when we start our computer programming. It is free open source language, it is object oriented language, it is interpreted language, it supports the large standard library. Now what is library and how we can use it? So library means it is a collection of functions and methods. Different types of modules are there in the library that you can directly use it. That again we will discuss later in the next chapters. How to install Python? So you can go in this website https www.python.org. In this website you can go and you can download and you can install. This is the simple step. When you will download your Python setup, then just double click on this and click on the run, and on the next window click on next button up to you will not reach the finish button. So students, today I am just giving the instruction how you can download Python. Just download it, install on your system. From next class we will work on the program in Python. We will write small programs like addition, subtraction in the Python. So before that, just download and install Python on your system. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.